Hello. Hey.
I see this is a traffic stop.
Yes, he just pulled me over.
Okay, has he collected your information?
No, not yet.
Okay, he hasn't been to your vehicle yet.
No.
Okay. Well, I do just want to let you know, you do have the right against self-incrimination, the right to remain silent. Do you
Correct.
were you speeding, or do you think it's just?
No.
I just left the light.
No.
Oh,
Hang on
okay.
here.
Okay.
Hey, how's it
Hey,
going?
pretty good.
Officer Blevins, Brighton Police Department.
Yep.
Reach for stops, the tag on the tag.
Okay.
Tag covered.
Okay.
Can't read the plate.
Okay.
Your driver's license,
Yeah.
insurance, and your registration on you.
Yep.
Is it all in here?
Yep.
Okay. We're staying in Arkansas.
Yep.
Plymouth Road, West Memphis.
Yeah. Huh?
Where you headed to?
None of your business. That's where I'm heading to. This is my attorney also.
Any reason you have such an ill attitude?
So
Go ahead.
Man, I don't need
Go
to
ahead.
I'm not talking.
Yes, you do. This is my attorney.
it's
You
okay.
need to
It's
talk
okay,
to him.
Mr. Terry. It's okay. He can just get your information, and we can just keep the conversation at minimum, just to make sure we don't.
Well, that's what I like to do, but he wants to cock an attitude, so.
Okay, that's nice.
Has he left to go run your information?
No, he's still here. He's still here.
Do you have the original copy of your insurance instead of the printout that you paid? That's on the computer.
What do you mean original copy? That would be the copy.
This isn't what insurance would send you. Do you have the original?
Sure it is. That's right off the app. I printed it right off the app.
That's what I'm asking. Okay, so you have the app. Are
Sure.
you able to pull the app up?
No, because they'll cut my attorney off, so I'm not going to.
Oh,
do that. That's right off the app.
Mr. So it should be on your app, but you're probably able to pull it up. Is this the Progressive policy?
Yeah, I did that last time and it almost cut y'all off.
Um,
That what I gave him is right off the app. I printed that right off the app.
So let's just say that I can prove that that's fake.
My VIN number's on there. It's right off the app.
Correct. So
Right.
let's just say that this
They
is
already
fake.
know if you have insurance or not.
He wants to harass me over this insurance thing.
They
I
already
printed that.
know it. All they gotta do is run
I
it.
printed that right off the
and
app.
so Mr. Terry, and just to.
Hold on. I'm getting it pulled up myself.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Printed it right off the app. I don't know my login because my phone memorizes it. You do what you want to do. That's right off the app.
So what we can do is I can just cite you in the court, in the city court. Then when you get to city court, you can able to pull it up on your app. And
You know what? Let me
let
hang on a minute. Let me show this guy because he wants to write me a ticket. I printed that right off the app. So give me a minute. I'm gonna try not to disconnect you because he wants to harass me. All right, you still there?
Yes,
Great.
sir. I'm here.
Didn't disconnect. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Don't argue with them. Let him have his ego.
So this is all because my license plate cover is a little dark.
Mhm.
But the real reason why they do this to me is because I'm driving a Scat Pack.
Okay.
That's the bottom line. We all know how that works.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's why they pull me over. I got them on video now. So they use that as an excuse to pull me over because they say the license plate cover is a little too dark.
Okay. Yeah.
But it's really because I drive a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. That's the real reason why I got pulled over.
Okay. Yeah. Is it a specific color? Is it a red or?
It's like a gray almost.
Oh, okay.
Believe it or not.
Okay. Yeah. Typically they go for like yellow, red cars, green cars.
Yeah.
Think about it.
And I'm in a little town, and they got nothing else better to do on it.
He knew he had the insurance the moment you got pulled over and read the tags.
Yeah. I mean, I gave him a copy of what I printed off right off the app.
Yeah. Right.
But I appreciate you being there
Oh, of course.
in attorney shield.
Oh,
For real.
we're not
Of
worried
course.
about it. It wasn't even. It
It
wasn't
will
a
probably just
speeding.
like
It
write
was
the
just a
tickets,
tag.
and hopefully that'll just be, the end of the stop. And if you would like
Yeah.
to, go to court, I'm sure you've probably been through it before in your vehicle, but if you want to go to court and challenge it.
Just because.
Well, I don't think he's going to write me a ticket now because I did pull it up on the phone.
Oh, I mean for improper plating, because sometimes they do that. If he's not able to read your license plate, or he may just give you a warning.
Yeah. I think that's just
Alright.
a warning in this area.
Okay. Yeah.
I believe.
No, it's all good. No. Yeah, it's all good. Morning.
I'm just waiting for him.
Okay. Sounds good.
There we go. I guess the sticker on the window didn't help either.
Alright. Well, honey, I need to get off here. I love you too.
Did you get a notification?
No.
Did you get a notification?
No, I put it in the family
I
check.
said, did you get a notification from her?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Okay, so it's working. So he's going to take his time.
So I need to. Yeah.
He's going over all the paperwork with a fine-tooth comb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Love you too. Wow. She says they're running license plates in Henning.
Here?
Oh, Henning.
Oh, they're doing it again in Henning?
Yeah.
So we'll probably get pulled over again about 2 miles down the road after this.
Oh, they have a lot of traffic blocks set up.
Apparently so.
I guess I need to download that progressive.
Yeah, I need to give you the password and everything. Remind me to do that later. So I've been pulled over before, gave them that insurance. They didn't have any issue with it. I mean, that is exactly from the website.
The main thing is, the whole thing
It's
is.
got the car VIN number on
knows.
it. It's got my name on it. It's got progressive information on it.
He knows that you had
Yeah.
insurance. He knew at the moment you got pulled over and
That's-
he ran your tag, he knew you had
Yeah.
insurance.
That's the first time that they've questioned the paper. I mean, it's the official paper off the website. So
Yeah. Yeah. And again, sometimes officers, can use their discretion, I guess. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
unfortunately, there are people who do, print out fake insurance cards. I know you guys
Yeah.
didn't do that, but there are some people who do.
Yeah.
And so.
Oh.
Mhm.
He's taking as long as possible on purpose.
All I really need is a policy, and I can do it myself under my name.
Oh, you can log in?
As long as I can have the policy number.
Yeah.
He's got your paperwork, don't he?
Yeah.
I'm waiting until he gets back.
Oh, the camera's still rolling. This is the first one I've got with 360.
It doesn't matter. I don't care what anybody says. They know you have insurance. They know it. They don't have to see the paperwork. They
That's
just
cool.
want
He
to.
knew I knew he was going to pull me over. That looks like a new feature y'all have where it shows your name and the time. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, we've had a few updates and a few upgrades on the app over the past few weeks. Mhm.
Okay. Are they redoing the? I don't guess if you know like the. I heard they were redoing the merchandise page and everything. Do you know anything about that?
I do not. Yeah, I do not.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the first one to ask me where I was going. I couldn't wait for that question. They normally don't ask me that.
Mm,
Yeah, I've been pulled over several times for the license plate cover,
mhm.
but it's really because of the car.
Yeah.
So because they can read the license plate.
Mhm.
It's not completely blacked out by any stretch of the imagination. You can read it.
Yeah, because I had something on my car from the dealer's lot where it was kind of impeding on the bottom of my county, and pulled me
Yeah.
over because they said they couldn't read the county fully. So
Any reason to get you pulled over.
yeah.
So even Arkansas usually has it wrapped up in 10 minutes.
He's purposely doing
Oh, yeah.
this.
Yeah.
He's sitting in the car bullshit.
I can't stand when they do that. They ask where you're going, knowing it's none of their business. Those type of questions just infuriate me.
Because you're it's mainly because you're at the state.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you guys currently in Arkansas or?
No, we're over in Tennessee.
Oh, you're in Tennessee, but you have Arkansas tags.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Asking me where I'm going. I can't stand when they start that stuff. But normally that's the first time they've asked me that. Normally once they see you or whoever's
Mhm.
there, they don't want to have any part of it. This guy's a little bit more hard-headed. But my experience has been once they know y'all are on there, they don't want to have any more part of
Yeah.
it normally. But this guy, he's got a little bit more of an attitude apparently. So
Yeah.
here he
Okay,
comes.
sounds good.
A little airy motherfucker.
Hey,
All right, Mr. Terry. So, this information, you are in violation of Tennessee law and Arkansas law. I don't know if you're aware of that or not, but just inform you. Tag cover, you can't have anything on your tag that can affect the reflectiveness or the visibility of the plate. So you pass by, tinted tag cover, can't see if there's a tag behind you. Get behind you, can't even read the tag until I get up to the car. Okay? Can't even see if there's a registration sticker on it. So, complete violation of Arkansas and Tennessee law. So, just a warning for tag cover, because that's typically all I ever do for tag covers. Just a warning, didn't cite you. You have an ill attitude or anything like that. But
push.
you're a member of AttorneyButton.com, Free Shield. Advise you to follow those rules right there that are on the driver checklist. Remain calm. Be respectful of law enforcement.
You gonna give me my stuff and end this traffic
I am.
stop, or are you gonna extend
I
it?
am. So, and listen
Okay.
to
You can.
first responders.
Okay.
So,
Are you gonna hold my stuff and extend this traffic stop?
Baby, stop.
Yes, you are. You're holding my stuff.
on the
Baby,
citation,
stop.
it's got the reason for the stop.
Okay.
It's got my information, my ID
Okay,
number,
I can read.
and my vehicle number.
Okay, I can read.
I do this with everyone I
Okay.
stop.
Well, I don't need you to cop explain. You can hand me my stuff.
I'm not going to treat you any different
Okay.
than I treat
Okay.
anyone else.
Well, I do have places to go, so I appreciate it if you wrap the traffic stop up.
I was the one violating the law.
Okay. Great. Okay.
Stop. You're the one now.
Babe.
Just let him
If you
finish.
have any questions, concerns, or complaints, feel free to call Town of Brighton and speak with the clerk or the front desk or one of my superiors. Okay? I've placed all your information back inside this just like you gave it to me, as well as your warrant citation. So, make sure you stay in compliance with the law and have a safe night.
And did you have any questions for me?
I don't. I do appreciate it.
Of course. Alrighty. Thank you so much, and call us back if you need us.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.